If you are wondering if you can edit slow motion videos on Nothing Phone 3A Pro, then the answer is yes, but the options are somewhat limited. So for example, if you go to the gallery and if you open a slow motion video, and if you decide to edit the slow motion video by using this pen in the bottom right corner, of course you have some options like cropping, enhancing, stabilizing, and so on and so forth. You can also crop the video over here, and so on and so forth. But if you, for example, try to adjust the range of the slow motion effect, then in that case you cannot do that. That is of course available on some other devices. Unfortunately, it is not available on this one over here. So if you try to select the area that should be in normal speed and the area that should be in slow motion effect, then unfortunately you cannot do that over here. Just the whole video is in slow motion. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!